Hey everybody, it's Jen. Thanks for joining me today. Today I have an unboxing of a design team package that I just got from Buttons Galore and More. They send every couple of months, they send a big box of goodies that I use for projects for the next month or two. And I am so excited to get this big box, and I have not opened it yet. Well, I opened the box. This is what um, the box is. I opened it, but I figured we could go through it together and see everything that they sent, because unboxings are always fun to watch. I think I'd love to watch them. So let's take a look. I will link all the products that I can down below on their website. I'll just make sure that they're all available currently. So let's get started. Okay, so the first one is, oh, it's an embellishment kit, and this one is all nice, pretty purples and greens, it looks like. And this one is called, I think it's French Quarter. Can't really see, it's kind of cut off, but yeah, there's the bottom and the top. It says French Quarter. Oh, this is pretty. I love purple and green together. I just think it's such a nice combination. And there's some gold, a fleur-de-lis. That's a big charm. And there's some, looks like some ribbon there, and some beautiful ornate buttons, some sequins. Oh, that's really, really nice. I like that. Okay, that'll be fun to craft with. And let's see, there's another embellishment pack in here. Ooh, this one is Valentine-y. This one is called Hello Cupcake. Oh, this is so cute. Look at those. There's pink and purple flat backs. There's seed beads, pink and white. There's some pretty pink and green buttons, some little felt red hearts. Oh, that's pretty trim. It's pink with like kind of an iridescent edge to it. There's a nice sequin mix and some charms of cupcakes. And I don't know if you could see, it says made for you on a heart, and there are a couple of cupcakes. Very, very cute. I love it. So there are those two. Oh, there are some pretty dimensional buttons from the Sweet Delights collection. Oh, they look like there's a couple of, oh, can you guys see? There's a couple of duplicates, but they're two different sets. Okay, the one on the left is called After Dinner Treats, and this one's called Happy Endings. So cute. My brain is already thinking of what I could do with these. Totally adorable buttons. And of course, you don't have to use them as buttons. You could just clip the shank off with like a wire cutter and use them as embellishments. So, so cute. All right, let's dig in, see what else is here. Ooh, what's this? This is large. A button bonanza. That is a button bonanza. It's this cute little purse that is very repurposable. Oh my gosh, there are a ton of buttons in here. I don't know if you could tell, but look at how thick that is. And it's really big. I've never seen this product before. It must be new. It's called Rainforest. I will link down below definitely if it's available currently. But yeah, look at that. Lots of different greens, different shapes. This will be perfect for spring and St. Patrick's Day projects. That's really cool. Okay, let's see what else we've got here. Look at this pack of buttons. Oh, very pretty. This looks like it's a Valentine one. Oh, no, it's called Love. Nice. There's some giant buttons in here. Oh, I gotta fix something to do with those. Okay, so there's pink and white and red, different shapes and styles of buttons. I love to go through these and just like check out all the different ones, because sometimes they say like different things on them, and I don't know, it's just like a fun, like instant collection. So there's that. Stay. Okay, let's see, we'll get some of the, ooh, I love these, the cubes. These are shaker mix cubes. Oh, look at this one. This one is all like Valentine-y. This one's called Love is in the Air. Oh, okay, there's like cutout hearts, there's buttons, there's sequins. Very nice. Some chunky glitter in there. Those hearts, which look like they're just the cutouts of those. So, ooh, pretty. And oh, and some flat back pearls I see. Sounds like either, yep, there's some seed beads in there. I heard them. I knew they were there. So these are so great for instant shaker mixes. So there's that one. I saw another one as well. Oh, this is a St. Patrick's Day mix. This one is called Coming Up Clover. Yep. Oh, pretty. It's like blues and greens. I really like that. It kind of matches my nail polish, that bluish green color. Again, there's buttons. There's some chunky glitter. There's some flat back pearls. Oh, look at the shamrocks. They have like a circle on the top so you can make them, add them to charms. That's neat. Or a ring at the top. Really pretty. This is an interesting mix. I like that color combination a lot. I'm thinking that this would go really good with Doodlebug paper collections. Yeah, because you know how they have like bright colors for St. Patrick's Day and actually any holiday. I think that would be really good for that. Okay, let's see what else. There's still a bunch left in here. Oh, I love these buttons. They're Sugar Shop buttons, and this color is called Pink Champagne. They're very glittery. They come in different sizes. I've gotten different colors of these before, but I really like this pink, of course. Very pretty. So I got that. And there's another pack, some green ones. Oh, this is a nice green. It's called Granny Smith. Yes, perfect. That's exactly the color. It's like a Granny Smith apple. Very nice. Okay, and let's see what else. Ooh, doodads. Doodads are always fun. Oh, look at this one. This is such like a happy birthday. Oh, birthday bling. Yep, it's a happy birthday mix. It's got the flat back, not embellishments, but blingies. And it's got those little tubey things that doodads always have. Oh, this will be great for birthday shakers. Very nice. Good all year rounds kind of embellishment pack. We have some sparkles. Oh, look at these. So pretty. Oh, I love these colors. This one is called Mermaid. Yeah. There's pink and purple and blue and clear. It just looks like a really pretty tropical water. There's flat back pearls. There's sequins. There's little, like those dewdrop kind of things. Gems. And little tiny, I think those are purple star glitter, chunky glitter. Yeah, those are purple. Oh, this is so pretty. Great for mermaid projects. Very, very pretty. All right, let's see what else we have. Oh, more sparkles. I'm trying not to say sparklets because I really don't think that's how you say it. But these are a Valentine mix. This one is called Hugs and Kisses. Ooh, lovely. Got some X's and O's, some hearts, some of those crystal hearts. I'd love those. Regular sequins, some gems. Love it. Love, love, love. And let's see, there's a few more things. Oh, a pretty pack of sequins. Look at these. This one is called Heart of Atlantis. Also good for mermaid projects. This has also matches my nails. Got bluish color. It's got some like sea green, some clear. Really pretty. It's an unusual mix. I like that a lot. I would never think to like make a mix like that, but it really works. Love it. That's why it's good to get pre-made mixes sometimes. You know, it's fun to make your own, but someone who's an expert at mixing colors, put that together for sure. Okay, there's a couple more. Oh, some more sparkles. That's a pretty combination. Oh, blues and purples and greens. This one is called Sea Level, also for your ocean mermaid kind of projects. Lovely, lovely. Love the gems. Oh, look at those little, like tiny little dewdrop pieces. I don't know if you could see, but they're very little. And then there are bigger ones too. And then there are like opaque ones that look kind of like, I don't know, stones. Lovely. I don't have much blue, so that'll be nice to have for sure. Let me move that over so we can see it. And there is one more item, another pack of sparkles. And these are, oh, crystal hearts. I have these, and it'll be nice to have some more because they go in a lot of different projects, from Valentine's Day to, anniversary, wedding, just any sort of friendship card or embellishment or, projects. So those are very good to have. I'm glad to have another pack of those. So this is everything I got in my latest design team project for Buttons Galore and More, which you will be seeing in upcoming projects for sure. I can't wait to get started thinking about what to make with these. So thanks for watching. I hope you liked my video. I will link all the products down below. And please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll be back soon with another crafty video. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.